In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile Stripe sales and fees in Xero. This is a crucial task for anyone managing finances, as it helps ensure your financial records accurately reflect your business transactions. We'll break it down into easy steps that you can follow along with, so let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Head over to the Xero login page and click on the login button to get started. Once you're on the login screen, simply enter your email and password. It's crucial to double check your information here to avoid any login troubles. Once input, go ahead and click on login again to access your Xero dashboard. Next, we'll navigate to the place where the magic happens. Go to your dashboard, and from there, you'll want to navigate over to your Stripe account within Xero. Once you're in the Stripe account section, look for the option that says Reconcile Items and click on it. This will bring up the transactions that require reconciliation. Now we need to select a transaction to reconcile. Choose the one you'd like to work with. For this demonstration, we're using a sample transaction. Click on Create once you've made your selection. This will open a new window where you'll enter specific details to complete the reconciliation process. In this new window, enter the contact information related to the transaction. It's important for keeping records straight and is often tied to your customer or client records. Once that's done, use sales as the account code. This helps classify the income appropriately in your system. Next, you need to fill out the why field with a description. This is a brief explanation that should encapsulate the purpose of the transaction. It's essentially documentation for why the payment was made, which can be a great help for future reference. Finally, once all your details are filled in, you'll see a button that says OK. Clicking this will save your work and complete the reconciliation for that transaction. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in ensuring that your records in Xero accurately reflect real-world transactions between your business and Stripe. Remember, keeping up with your reconciliations regularly can save you from headaches during tax season or when conducting financial reviews. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful in demystifying the reconciliation process between Stripe and Xero. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.